Hello David, greetings from Poland, Krakow. I have two messages for you. First is good. The Qnap, as you can see, is booting and working. You will see it after seconds. And the bad is that I'm waiting for payment and I will ship you Qnap mainboard back to you. Yeah, it's booting now. The green LED is working, okay. In a few seconds there will be beeping and red flashing LED because of the fan. It's not connected and Qnap is talking that there is an error of fan. In the second video I will show that it's working good because that's the error, the red LED. And in the second video I will show you that system is waiting for initialization. I don't want to do it because this is my photos hard drive for testing purposes only. Sorry for my bad English. Okay, I will now stop and play after system boots because it's take some time.